Irama Moses, let's go. EM's Kitchen, Dakonos Music, let's go. Have you heard? Have you tasted Irama's food?
Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to Irama Moses YouTube channel. In this new video, we are going to prepare pasta salad, a very delicious salad. So guys, I have my water on fire. I'm going to add a little oil to it. That's it. 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we will be adding our pasta to it, guys. We are just making a small portion, guys. So I'm going to cover it to bring it to a boil. Then when it's ready, we will start making our salad.
EM Kitchen, Irama's Kitchen. Let's go.
I will be adding my salt now.
Simple remedy, good taste, palatable.
I just use a teaspoon of salt, and you can see my pasta is ready now. You don't have to cook your pasta to be more soft. So I'm going to strain the water now. Then we will start preparing our pasta salad. Then I'll wait for it to cool down completely before we will start preparing our pasta salad. Guys, our pasta is ready now and it's completely cooled off. So I am going to start mixing our vegetables and the spices that we are going to use. I'll first of all add some black pepper. Just a pinch of it. Then you mix it to combine. I also have a teaspoon of sugar. We are going to add that.
Palatable, sweet aroma. EM's Kitchen here.
Then I'll be mixing with my bell peppers.
Have you tasted Irama's food? Let's go. EM's Kitchen here. Sweet aroma, so tasty, palatable. I like it. Diani Papa, EM's Kitchen, let's go. Dakonos Music. Let's set it. Dakonos Music, let's go. Irama Moses. Good food, good health. Makeups. Subscribe, let's go. Irama's Kitchen. Lifestyle, good food, makeups, let's go. Irama's Garden. Irama's channel. Healthy living, lifestyle, workout. Irama Garden. Subscribe, let's go. Yummy food. Irama's channel. Subscribe, let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Irama, yeah. Workout, good food, healthy living, lifestyle. Let's go. Irama's channel. Subscribe and click on the notification bell for more videos from Irama Moses. Let's go. Yummy, yummy. Irama's channel.
Guys, we have come to the end of our cooking for today, and look at that. That's our pasta salad. Look how yummy. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's so yummy. And our chicken is there. And if you are somebody like me, I don't like mayonnaise, so that's my one. You can take some aside when you are mixing it with the mayonnaise. So this is it. We have our jollof rice as well. So guys, lunch is served. Everyone is invited. Obiara mbra around. This is how you can prepare your pasta salad, guys. Ezibana why akono dey akono ehu mo si he ya e obi a empa mayonnaise na o chede etiwuze esi ncha na empa mayo empa mix yan chicken so na wada hu ena yan pasta salad na ye wala she ezibani ya akono ebusiafo. Let me leave you guys. I'm going to eat now. I'm finishing. Our food is ready and it's served. Look at that. It's so yummy and so delicious, guys. I just want to interview my boy about my cooking. So my boy is here. Samuel, just tell my viewers how mommy's food tastes.
It tastes delectable, delicious, and it's really nice. She can cook a lot of recipes and a lot of amazing food that we can get in shops. Pizza, KFC chicken, all those stuff, and they're so delicious. That's what I want to say to you guys.
Thank you, Samuel.